crops are all in, and the peaches are rotting. The oranges are packed in their creosote dumps. Well, they're flying back to the Mexico border, take all their money to wait back again. Goodbye to my Juan, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. Well, you won't have a name if you ride a big airplane. All they will call you will be deportees. Well, my father's own father, he waded that river, took all the money he made in his life. My brothers and sisters, they came working fruit trees. They rode the big trucks till they laid down and died. Well, goodbye to my Juan, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. Well, you won't have a name if you ride a big airplane. All they will call you will be deportees. Well, the sky plane caught fire over Los Gatos Canyon. The fireball of lightning shook all the hills. Well, who are these comrades? They're dying like dry leaves. The radio tells me they're just deportees. Well, we died in your hills, and we died in your deserts, we died in your valleys, and we died in your plains. Well, we died beneath the trees, and we died beneath your bushes. Both sides of the river, we died just the same. Well, goodbye to my Juan, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. Well, you won't have a name if you ride a big airplane. All they will call you will be deportees. Well, is this the best way we can grow our big orchards? Is this the best way we can grow our good fruit? Well, to die like the dry leaves that rot on my topsoil, be known by no name except deportee. Goodbye to my Juan, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. Well, you won't have a name when you ride a big airplane. All they will call you will be deportees. Well, goodbye to my Juan, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. Well, you won't have a name if you ride a big airplane. All they will call you will be deportees. All they will call you will be deportees.